Hi, boys and girls. We've been talking a lot about classifying matter based off of its physical properties, things that we can see and observe with our five senses, such as color, shape, size, texture, and even mass before winter break. We're going to explore texture just a little bit more closely tomorrow. I want to show you an example of three different objects with three different textures. Here's a pom-pom. We put this on the end of our expo markers. You might remember that this palm is very soft. It's so soft that I could even rub it up against my face and it not hurt. It actually feels good. Here's a styrofoam ball. This styrofoam ball is not soft like the pom-pom. It's actually a little bit rough. Can you hear that? I would not want to scratch this up against my face. It wouldn't feel good. Here's a brush. It's a little pointy, a little scratchy as well, and it makes it good for brushing hair and getting the tangles out. Three different objects with three different textures and jobs based off of those textures. What I want you to do now is look around your house and see if you can find one, two, maybe even three objects if you're really ambitious, with three different textures, if that's how many objects you get. Whatever object you pick out, I want you to make sure that it has its own unique texture. Maybe it's soft, maybe it's a little scratchy, maybe it's bumpy. But I also want you to pay attention to the size of the object. We want to make sure that your object can fit inside a paper lunch sack. So it can't be really big. It has to fit in your backpack. It really needs to fit in your hand. Make sure that you're bringing an object small enough that we can observe it in science time and be able to identify its textures together in class. So bring that in with you tomorrow, and we'll have a lot of fun exploring these textures around us.